2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee JS 300 amp alt. Got the big 4 done. Got a Kenwood Exelon KM X704 receiver, Stinger voltmeter, down for sound bass knob. Got all SCAR components, 3.5 super tweeters, RP 6x9s in the front, FX 6.5s in the back, Terrence Smart 3K, and an RP 75.4, the XS Power D3400, all 1 aught, sky high. Here's a 4th order ZVX 15, wired down to 1 ohm. Can't really tell, but I got the red LED in there too. Slapping.
Alright guys, well, here's just a run through of what I got. I got a horn here in the front. It's like a horn I just found, and it's actually pretty good. And it's a 2011 Chevy Malibu. I got 4 6.5 Neo Pro door speakers, the carbon fiber ones. I got a dual DMCPA 70, and with my amp. I'm running a SFB 5000D 0 gauge wire with 8 gauge input for the subs, and I got the 600 watt Pioneer 4-channel amp, and I got the other 2 6.5s right here. They're originally 6x9s, but I got some brackets to fit the 6.5s, and that's about it. I also got this SMD voltmeter. keeps my voltage, tells me where I'm at. When my car turns on, it goes to about 14.9. When my amp is on, I always keep it around right there. I can't go any higher till I get another battery. And for my trunk, I got two Sundown X12s with a one D3400 excess power battery. I got all 0 gauge wire everywhere, my grounds, everything. This is my 4-channel amp wire right here. And I'm working on getting another excess power D3400 so that way I could turn my amp up all the way.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.